Yeah, nowadays people can be ashamed, or maybe they just want to reach Hall of Fame. They don't really know how to proud they are because they have a Muslim name. That maybe sound lame, but that's something you can't tame. It's the beast inside of them that makes them who they really are. They rather be big shot superstars and drive the hottest cars. But nah, we don't want to be like them. We don't want to be like 50 cents. And we want to be more than that, because this life can't be measured in money. It's like we won the biggest lottery, we got a ticket to paradise. But your dreams can be sliced. It's like a birthday cake. But we swim in the best lakes. And we got what it takes to get a better life. But you have the knife, and it's your choice. You talk, it's your voice. But it maybe not make sense, it's only just noise. Or people treat you like you were some kind of choice. Because all we see on TV is all the politics. They want to play tricks on you. They abuse you and they say, I'm sorry, just to amuse you. But I won't let them use you. Because if you know the truth, then you really know this life. And if you know this life, then you know it's not worth anything. And the life ever after, it's everything. Because when have this life give you something that will last forever? Never. And I guarantee you that life after is gonna be forever. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
¿Cómo estás, doctor? Assalamu alaikum, jazakallah khair. Ahora me dices, mira, ¿sabes?